Hello everyone, today we will look at the OPPO A74 5G, which is a 5G ready phone and it has 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. I'm going to tell you all about it, so without wasting any time, let's get started. So it has Qualcomm 5G system on the chip, 90Hz hypercolor screen, 5000 mAh battery, 18W fast charge powered by Android, and it has 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. It has 6.49-inch Full HD Plus Punch-hole Display with 2400 by 1080 pixels, larger screen-to-body ratio of 90.5% and Side Fingerprint Sensor. Camera is nowadays one of the basic features we look at in a phone. The primary sensor is a 48 megapixel camera, while you also get a 2 megapixel close-up and a 2 megapixel macro camera, and in the front you are going to get an 8 megapixel selfie shooter. Coming to its processor, it has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 480, which you may think is Snapdragon's 400 series processor, but let me tell you, it is actually equivalent to Snapdragon 600 series, which is quite good. The OPPO A74 5G is available in single configuration with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. One of the most important things that I keep in consideration and suggest everyone to look for is the battery life. And trust me when I say this phone is not going to disappoint you. It has 5000 mAh lithium polymer battery. Last but not the least is the connector type. So the OPPO A74 5G has USB Type-C, making sure you can have easy access to charge the phone anytime or anywhere.
Hello friends, this is Pratik Vyas from 91 Mobiles, and today I have OPPO A74 5G with me. So on the right spine you can see the power button, which also works as a fingerprint sensor. On the left spine you can see volume buttons and SIM tray. At the bottom you can see 3.5mm jack, USB Type-C port and the speaker grill. Up top, neat and clean, and at the back the phone comes with this glossy finish, OPPO branding you can see, and the camera module is also here. For the camera you get 48, 2 and 2 megapixel camera, and on the front you get 8 megapixel front camera. And for the display you get 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with 90Hz of screen refresh rate, 405 ppi and 550 nits of brightness. So no doubt in all lighting conditions this display will help you out with good results. Now let's talk about the internal. So this phone comes with Snapdragon 480 processor, which works on 8nm fabrication with 6GB of RAM, so definitely your multitasking will be buttery smooth. And on the battery side you get 5000 mAh of battery with 18W of fast charging, and for software you get Android 11 with Color OS. So that's all for the OPPO A74 5G. Thanks for watching. Hello friend, this is Pratik Vyas from 91 Mobiles, and today I'm going to show you the box content of OPPO A74 5G. So you can slide it out this box like this. Let's keep it here. So after opening the box you can see this small cardboard box, and in this you can see the SIM ejector tool, few documentation like quick start guide and user manual, and also the transparent cover which is going to protect your phone for any harm. After this you can see the OPPO A74. After the phone you can see the USB Type-C cable and 2-pin wall charger. So that's all you get inside the OPPO A74 5G box. Thanks for watching.